Hello friends, so today on 19th November 1:30 p.m. onwards we are celebrating community cooking event. Here we are trying to connect community together, and you can see how we are going to cook together and going to eat together. This is a free event and we are just trying to promote good connections within community, so enjoy it. This is the oven on fire. We have already prepared oven, clay oven made from clay, and we are ready with this oven. This is our small kitchen, and we are focusing on. You see this one? It is made from haze, and out of that hard clay, and smoke is coming out of this. And today we are going to make a very special dish. It is known as the bhuna masala vegetables. So raw vegetables we are going to cook inside that oven, and this is our kitchen in the field. So everyone talks about minimizing energy, but how we can minimize the consumption of energy, we are going to learn and going to cook step by step together. So enjoy the show. Sizzler is coming out now, and so we are going to fill this with water, okay? And the best part of water is whenever we put any vegetables in the water. Normally, what we say when we wash vegetables, we say okay, it's good to eat, okay? But microbiology is not only one thing which remain in fruits and vegetables. When we take fruits and vegetables from market or supermarket, there are many types of fertilizers and pesticides used in the crops and in the field. To avoid those crops and fields, it is always better if you soak the vegetables full night in the water, or fruits in full night in the water. Sometimes in the apple there is a wax which is used outer layer. So those things will be removed from the vegetable. So it is always better to soak it with water. Can we take water in this please? Yeah, this is enough. Okay. So we are taking onion, potatoes, broccoli, cauliflower. Coriander, it is good for giving us different flavor. And this you can read for vegan ingredients, please. We are having good quality mushroom, jumbo mushroom, because jumbo mushrooms are good for baking. Spring onion, these are available always in green backyard, and Louis is perfect in this, but we have taken it. And we are going to make salad out of this. Beetroots, again available in green backyard, but since the season is out, so I have taken this. And these are the rice we are going to cook today. And ginger for flavoring sometime. So, okay. So,
big long, like, the big, that's one of the sharp metal. Big, like slushy, yeah.
Fire was lit almost 1 hour back, so that it is properly burned. And you can see this fire is very good. The best part is this fire from wood. It is good for baking the vegetables. Okay. Who wants? And Then I'm going to put directly it on the fire. Next is broccoli. This is very good source of iron and magnesium. Whenever you join gym instructor will always say, eat lot of broccoli, lot of broccoli. Okay.
Might have to get on the broccoli.
Okay. Then we are taking. Okay.
Smoky flavour
Yeah.
as well.
Should live mushroom.
Do you not like them? There's a lot of different types as well though.
Yeah.
So it's finding the ones that you like.
Onions I am putting whole because these onions, what is the best part, it will be automatically going to be loose. And potatoes I am not putting much because potatoes we have only few members today. So I am just putting 2 potatoes. So this is done. One part. We have started now in parallel processing. Rice is going on here. These are mobile stoves. Here you can see pulses, millets, tur dal, and all our volunteers are working here. Say hi, please.
Hi, please.
Hi, yeah. Salad preparation is going on, so we'll make good salad, rice, and bhuna masala vegetables. Mushrooms already came out of this oven. Look, and yeah, this oven is like carried a theme which is like live person. You see a nose. Yeah. So using nose, this oven is taking, and it's open mouth. It is taking all the vegetables inside, and it is taking air from nose. So if something will come out of oven, you can understand. Okay. This is fun part. Rain is continuously, it's raining and outside, but we are enjoying the cooking in forest. These are the tortillas or wheat wrap which are getting cooked inside this, and inside these wheat wrap we are going to fill the vegetables which is ready here. You like mushroom, right? I'm going to put more mushroom in this.